chucks, black chucks, everything.
Everything
Black hood, black love, everything.
Praise Black Jesus, play like Moses. Give them flowers while they still give black roses.
What's good, YouTube? It's your girl Hazel back in the building. How are you feeling today? So today was going to be a quick little simple tutorial. I'm just going to get started on my brows. The world's famous Anastasia Dipbrow in the color Ebony is what we're going to be using. And the Louise base shade 0.5. Fenty Beauty with this Longwear foundation. Oh, so basically what we're going to start by doing is just light strokes, because it's very pigmented. This dip brow is very pigmented. Light strokes and achieve the shape that you want. Okay, so as you can see here, I know I'm kind of dipped off in a sense, but I'm just filling in my eyebrows how I want it. And when you get to the top of your, like the beginning of your eyebrows, that's when you want to start stroking upwards. I'm gonna take the spoolie and just comb it all together. So you want a ombre effect. I'm gonna take this flat brush and basically use the Louise Dipbrow the Louise base to conceal my eyebrows, because this base is just really, like, the consistency of this base is kind of crazy. But as you can see, just follow the kind of technique that I'm using here. I started at the arch and then I just cleaned up everything. The top, I use my foundation to conceal that part. So when I do my full foundation, it's not hard to blend in the top part. Because the bottom part, you always want it to kind of be highlighted, you know what I'm saying? So I'm adding the base again to my eyelids, because I'm going to do a little quick, little son, you know what I'm saying? Little son. And I'm just blending that all out, patting it. I didn't show it in the video, but I also used a setting powder right after, before I put my beautiful colors from this James Charles palette. So I'm just gonna let y'all watch what I do here, because it's pretty self-explanatory. It's really just like a watch and go. I patted on one color and I just blended it out upwards until it was blended out to my liking. Then I'm going to do a little cut crease, you know what I'm saying? I'm going to add a lighter color. Oh yeah, don't forget to look up, because you're going to get messed up not looking up, and then next thing you know, you look up in real life and it's gone. Like, your whole crease is just messed up. So this part now, I'm using the lighter shimmer, and then I'm gradually changing the color to but it's pink, so it's like light pink, dark pink, and then I use the darkest pink in the palette to blend it all in, as you can see, you know. So I went ahead and did my full face off camera. I'm using my Tarte mascara, and here are Black Roses Beauty lashes, mink lashes in Sweet Ting. These are my lashes from my cosmetic line. So I've seen this little trick on Instagram where you put the glue on before on your actual eyelashes. So I tried that with one eye, and it actually did go on pretty easy. But to put on lashes, it's like a stick, like what sticks, and then continue working your way until the whole thing is down. So that's what you basically see me doing. I start off one corner, then I go in the middle, and then I go in the center, and I'm just pressing it all down after. And that's the easiest way you're going to be able to put on your lashes. Other than that, I would tell you to drop your lashes in the middle and then adjust the ends, because those are the parts that be coming up the most. And I just use my mascara and blend it all together with my eyelashes, and boom, baby, we done.
I've got black